Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and today we're diving deep into the world of supplements. Now, we've all seen those flashy bottles promising miracle results, but it's crucial to look beyond the marketing and understand the real deal about supplements. Are they a magic bullet for health or a potential health risk? In this video, we'll be exploring both the benefits and downsides of supplement use, comparing them to the power of natural alternatives. We'll separate the facts from the hype, empowering you to make informed decisions about your health. Remember, I'm here to provide you with evidence-based information, but it's always essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Let's face it, in a perfect world, we'd all be getting all the nutrients we need from a perfectly balanced diet. But hey, life happens. That's where supplements can sometimes play a role. They can be especially helpful for individuals with specific dietary restrictions, certain medical conditions, or those who struggle to meet their nutrient needs through diet alone. Think of supplements like a safety net, helping to fill those nutritional gaps and prevent deficiencies. For example, someone following a vegan diet might need a B12 supplement, as this vitamin is primarily found in animal products. Similarly, pregnant women often benefit from iron and folic acid supplements to support their increased needs. Remember though, supplements should complement a healthy diet, not replace it. We'll delve deeper into the importance of whole foods later on. Beyond addressing nutrient deficiencies, certain supplements have shown promise in supporting the management of various health conditions. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil supplements, have been linked to improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Similarly, glucosamine and chondroitin supplements are popular choices for individuals with osteoarthritis, as they may help alleviate joint pain and improve mobility. It's important to note that while some studies support these benefits, more research is often needed. Always consult with your healthcare provider before taking any supplements for specific health conditions, as they can assess your individual needs and potential interactions with your current medications. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to optimize their performance and recovery, certain supplements have become increasingly popular. Creatine, for example, is a naturally occurring compound that can enhance muscle strength and power output during high-intensity workouts. Protein supplements, such as whey or plant-based options, can aid in muscle repair and growth, especially after strenuous exercise. And let's not forget about electrolytes, crucial for maintaining hydration and electrolyte balance, particularly during prolonged physical activity. However, it's essential to approach sports nutrition with a balanced perspective. Supplements should never replace a well-rounded diet and proper training regimen. A robust immune system is our first line of defense against infections and illnesses. While no supplement can magically prevent sickness, certain nutrients play a vital role in supporting immune function. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, is often touted for its immune-boosting properties, although its effectiveness in preventing colds is still debated. Zinc is another essential mineral that contributes to immune health, and deficiencies have been linked to impaired immune function. While supplements can help bridge nutrient gaps, remember that a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep, is the foundation of a strong immune system. In today's fast-paced world, convenience often dictates our choices, and nutrition is no exception. Supplements can seem like an easy solution for boosting nutrient intake, especially when time is limited. A quick multivitamin or a protein shake on the go can seem like a lifesaver. And let's be honest, swallowing a pill can be much easier than prepping a week's worth of healthy meals. This convenience factor is undeniable and a significant reason why many people turn to supplements. However, it's crucial to remember that supplements should never be a long-term substitute for a balanced and nutritious diet. Now let's flip the coin and talk about the potential downsides of supplements. One of the most significant concerns is the risk of overconsumption. Just because something is labeled as natural doesn't automatically make it safe in excessive amounts. Certain vitamins and minerals, when taken in high doses, can have toxic effects. For example, excessive vitamin A intake can lead to liver damage, while too much iron can cause gastrointestinal issues and even organ damage. Always stick to the recommended dosage on the supplement label and consult with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage for your individual needs. Another crucial aspect to consider is the potential for interactions between supplements and prescription medications. Some supplements can interfere with the absorption or effectiveness of certain drugs, leading to unwanted side effects or reduced drug efficacy. For instance, St. John's wort, an herbal supplement often used for mood support, can interact with a wide range of medications, including antidepressants, birth control pills, and blood thinners. Always inform your doctor about any supplements you're taking, including herbal remedies, to avoid potential interactions. Here's a concerning fact. The supplement industry is not as tightly regulated as the pharmaceutical industry. This means that the quality, purity, and efficacy of supplements can vary significantly between brands and even within the same brand. Unlike medications that undergo rigorous testing and approval processes, supplements don't have to prove their safety or effectiveness before hitting the market. This lack of regulation raises concerns about potential contamination, inaccurate labeling, and misleading claims. It's crucial to choose reputable brands that adhere to good manufacturing practices and have their products independently tested for quality and purity. In a world of flashy marketing and bold promises, it's easy to get swept up in the hype surrounding supplements. But remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of supplements claiming to cure diseases, cause rapid weight loss, or provide miraculous results overnight. These claims are often unsubstantiated and not backed by scientific evidence. Instead of falling for marketing gimmicks, focus on supplements that have been researched and supported by credible scientific studies. Remember, supplements should complement a healthy lifestyle, not be a quick fix for underlying health issues. One potential downside of relying too heavily on supplements is the risk of neglecting the foundation of a healthy diet. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that popping a few pills can make up for unhealthy eating habits. However, supplements are meant to supplement, not replace, a balanced diet. When we become overly reliant on supplements, we may not be as motivated to make healthier food choices. This can lead to nutrient imbalances and potential health issues in the long run. Remember, a holistic approach to health involves nourishing your body with whole, nutrient-rich foods. Now that we've explored the pros and cons of supplements, let's shift our focus to the incredible power of whole foods. Nature provides us with an abundance of nutrient-rich options that are not only good for our health, but also bursting with flavor. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats should form the foundation of our diet. These foods provide a complex array of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that work synergistically to support our overall well-being. Unlike supplements that isolate specific nutrients, whole foods offer a holistic package of goodness that our bodies are designed to thrive on. In addition to whole foods, fortified foods can play a valuable role in enhancing our nutrient intake. Fortification involves adding essential vitamins and minerals to commonly consumed foods that may not naturally contain them in significant amounts. For example, many breakfast cereals are fortified with iron, vitamin D, and B vitamins, while milk is often fortified with vitamin D and calcium. These fortified foods can help bridge nutrient gaps, especially for individuals with specific dietary needs or those at risk of deficiencies. However, it's important to note that not all fortified foods are created equal. Choose options that are minimally processed and low in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Ultimately, the key to optimal health lies in achieving a balanced and varied diet that provides all the nutrients our bodies need to thrive. A balanced diet includes a colorful array of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean protein sources, healthy fats, and plenty of water. It's about nourishing our bodies with real whole foods that provide sustained energy, support our immune system, and promote overall well-being. Remember, balance is key. Don't get caught up in restrictive diets or extreme eating patterns. Focus on creating a sustainable and enjoyable way of eating that supports your long-term health goals. While nutrition plays a vital role in our health, it's essential to recognize that it's not the only piece of the puzzle. Our lifestyle choices, including sleep, stress management, physical activity, and social connections, also significantly impact our overall well-being. Chronic stress, for example, can deplete our nutrient stores and weaken our immune system, while regular exercise can improve nutrient absorption and boost our mood. Creating a holistic approach to health involves addressing all aspects of our lives, not just what we put on our plates. Small, sustainable changes in our daily habits can have a profound impact on our long-term health and vitality. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the world of supplements and natural alternatives. Remember, supplements can be valuable tools in certain situations, but they should never replace a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize a balanced diet rich in whole foods, stay active, manage stress, and get enough sleep. And always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Stay informed, make empowered choices, and here's to a healthier, happier you. Take care, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.